Have you ever looked at a packet of vegetable seeds and felt that familiar wave of yearning for a lush, green garden? Even if you live in an apartment with 0-yard space, it's a deeply human desire, right? The idea of pulling fresh herbs or crisp lettuce right off a shelf, without having to haul soil bags or deal with unpredictable weather. I've spent the last few weeks putting this indoor hydroponic system through its paces, trying to see if it actually delivers on the promise of making gardening accessible to people like us, who might consider themselves more city dwellers than cultivators. When I first started this whole experiment, I was relying on my old methods. I used little peat pots, which quickly became a biohazard mess on my countertop. Germinating seeds traditionally is tedious. You spend hours misting, checking for mold, and then watching those fragile little sprouts struggle for light and nutrients. There was always a steep learning curve, and honestly, the results were often inconsistent. I felt like I was constantly playing catch-up with the environment, trying to provide just enough water without drowning them, and just enough light without burning them. It was stressful and, frankly, a little depressing to watch them struggle. But this system, particularly with the included seed starting system, changed the game. One of the things I really appreciated was how simple the process of getting those initial sprouts going was. The grow sponges meant I wasn't dealing with dirty soil right away. Another feature I discovered was the dedicated, adjustable LED light. It's powerful enough to give the seedlings the optimal spectrum they need, which is critical for early development. Then there's the liquid plant food. It's a measured, controlled nutrient supply, ensuring the initial growth phase is robust. I used to see some high-end vertical gardens from brands like AeroPressing costing over $350, but this AeroGarden unit brings comparable quality and features down to around $180. It's a smart purchase. I will say, though, that while it handles greens beautifully, if you are hoping to grow large, fruiting plants like full-size tomatoes, you might find the system slightly limiting in its nutrient capacity. Still, for starting out, it is superb. Picture this. It's a crisp Saturday morning, and you walk into your kitchen. The air is thick with the fresh, earthy scent of basil and mint. You reach over and pluck a perfect, dewy leaf of basil, ready for a pizza, and the vibrant green contrasts beautifully against the counter. The leaves are firm, healthy, and clearly nurtured indoors, a reliable source of flavor no matter the season outside. It's a small routine, but it feels like a major upgrade to your home experience. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.